Hello everybody, in this video I'll be showing you how to replace the battery from a Dyson V8 model. So first thing you need to do is pull the tab here at the top. So this will extend the barrel and open the bottom flap. Once you open the bottom flap, there's a clip here, the red clip. You got to push it down and you can remove this barrel component. So now I just have to remove, there's actually 3 screws. So one here on the back and 2 at the bottom. So this is the new battery. It's got the LED on the side. So it's a battery indicator level. So these are the new screws that came with the battery. So 3 screws. Gonna get a screwdriver. You need a Phillips head screwdriver. So remove this. So there's 1, and then there's 2 at the bottom here. So these 2 here. Just remove these. Depending on the age of your unit, you just might need to put a little bit more force to remove these screws. I don't plan in using these screws. I'm just going to replace it with the new ones. As you can see, these screws, 3 of them. And then all you need to do is pull this out. Okay, connect it back in. You hear the clip. And then just replace these 3 screws. Okay, let me try this one. Okay, so I'll just test it, and yeah, it's a little bit more difficult to insert it. So I'm just going to use the new sets. So the threads are a lot better on the new ones. So I'm just going to use these. So there's 3. Just make sure you use the new ones. I'll speed this up. That's the final one. I just need to slide the barrel in. Just gotta align it properly. You hear the clipping sound. Once it's clipped, you're going to push this down. That's done. So let me just test it. Yep, you can see it's working.